Hello friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today we have got you a recipe which can be served a mid-time lunch or lunchtime or dinner time, anytime that you prefer. And this recipe is none other than macaroni soup, loved by all, especially for the kids. So to do this recipe, friends, let's go and start it. And to begin with, let's add 2 tablespoons of oil. And to this, I'm going to add 1 finely chopped onion. And let's fry this onion until it's been translucent. Once the onion is slightly translucent, now I'm going to add 1 finely chopped tomato. And now let's fry all this together until the tomatoes are completely softened. Once the tomatoes are softened, now I'm going to add 1 whole potato. This is also finely chopped. Now I'll be frying this for another 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes of frying of potatoes, now I'm going to add finely chopped carrot. And let's fry this for another 2 minutes. Let's add some salt for taste. So once the frying has been done, now I'm going to add 4 cups of water. This is equivalent to 1 liter. Let's mix all this well and bring this to a boiling point. And to get the water for a boiling point, let's cover the lid. Now once the water starts boiling, now we're going to add macaroni to this. So here, I've got very fine macaronis over here. These are very small size. Usually you get a bigger one as well. Individual choice which one you prefer to use. I'm using this because I want to use for my kids. They love this and that's hence I'm using it. So once I have added the macaronis, I'm going to boil this for another 5 minutes. And to this, now I'm going to add stock powder. You can use chicken stock powder or vegetable stock powder. This soup has been loved by kids a lot. My 1-year daughter, she loves this. And same as my elder daughter who's 7 years old, she loves it. We prefer to make this kind of soup more oftenly so that they enjoy this every time. And in the very same soup, if you prefer to add some chicken, you can still add some chicken, cut into small pieces, and that's also enhance a very good flavor to this soup. Now that the macaronis have been cooked, now I'm going to add some coriander. Now let's give a mix and cook this for just another 2 minutes. So friends, our macaroni soup is ready now. Enjoy this with family. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed watching our recipe, the way how we have prepared this macaroni soup. If you really liked our recipe, please show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all. And my final word to say, adios.